Everyone saw his failure, but nobody saw his silent fight at night, and that is where success was born. Welcome to JA Info Urdu. If you love real stories, please subscribe and stay connected. Let me share something close to my heart today. This is not a story of a rich boy, not a lucky man. It is about a simple person who refused to give up. His name was Ali. Ali was not the best in school. He was slow, sometimes confused, sometimes afraid. Teachers said, "Try harder." Friends said, "You can't do it." And slowly, Ali started saying it to himself. Maybe I am not good enough. Every day he walked home with heavy steps, books in his bag, doubts in his heart. At night, when everyone slept, Ali studied alone. Deep breath. Sometimes his eyes closed. Sometimes tears came. But he whispered, "Just one more page, one more try." Many times he failed. Tests were bad. Results were painful. People laughed. His mother once asked softly, "Son, are you tired?" Ali replied, "Yes, but I will not stop." That day something changed. He stopped comparing. He stopped complaining. He started improving. One small step every day. Reading more. Asking questions. Practicing again. Slowly, very slowly, confidence came. Hope returned. Then one morning, I still remember his voice. I passed. I really passed. Tears in his eyes. Smile on his face. Not because of marks. Because he proved something. He proved, Nuli never goes waste. Today, Ali is successful. Not perfect. Not famous. But strong. Independent. Proud. And he always says, success is not fast. Success is faithful. So my friend, if today you feel weak, lost, behind others, listen to me. Do not quit. Do not rush. Do not doubt yourself. Walk slowly, but walk daily. Because one day, your story will inspire someone else. And they will say, if he can, I can too. This is JA Info Urdu. If this story touched your heart, please like, share and subscribe.